Happy Easter, everyone. Today we're making this awesome bunny wood art that you can make for your family to enjoy, or you can sell it as well. This costs right around $5 to make, and we would sell this between $50 and $60, maybe $75. So as always, we start with the pattern, and I print out 2 copies. I use one as a legend, and I glue the second one on the piece to cut out. And the patterns are available on our Etsy store. If that's something you're interested in, the link will be in the description below. So before I get too far ahead, I should say, hi, I'm Donna, and on our channel, we like to make wood projects that we have made and that we have sold, that have sold really well for us, so you can make and sell them too. We generally try to find projects that are relatively high profit margins, and most of our stuff is made from scrap wood. This is no different. All of my wood art projects that I create, they generally just come out of our scrap pile, and it's a great way to use that scrap wood and turn it into money for your family. So you can see here, I'm cutting out the pattern. This one's quite simple. It's only a few pieces. And it's a great beginner project. So once I have it cut out, I did some sanding, and I did sand some of the edges round just to give it some dimension. And now I'm working on the staining, and you can see I'm using a light, medium, and a dark just to give it some dimension. And I should say, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. We love to hear from you, and we will get back to you. And if you're looking for more information, we do have a website, ideas2ididit.com, and there you'll find more in-depth information and details into our methods and different projects. And if you sign up for our newsletter, we will email you a free wood art project if that's something you're interested in. You could go and give it a try. So here I'm now going to start adding extra details and dimension to the piece and painting on the face. You could cut out the eyes if you wanted to. I really love to paint, and so I generally paint the features. I just feel I can give it a lot more dimension, and it's just something I really enjoy. So I take a watered down brown and black mix of acrylic paint, and I use that just to really bring out some of the shadows and dimension in the cuts and where the shadows would naturally fall on the piece. You can see I'm kind of adding some extra shadow around the ears because there would be a natural shadow where the ear attaches to the head. And I'll just do the edges, and I'm just really trying to create more dimension. That's what I really aim to do, is to get as much dimension as I can in a piece. I find it really brings it to life. So I will just kind of keep playing around, adding shadows and dimension to these pieces, and then I'll go ahead and start to actually paint the face. Oh, and I should also say we have a new feature on our website, which is what we're calling a brag board, where you can upload pictures of your projects. And we've had a couple uploaded, and they are fantastic. It's so amazing to see how someone can take a pattern and really make it their own. They're beautiful. You should go check them out. There's a bee and a butterfly, and they're fantastic. Again, that's on our website, ideas2ididit.com. And we really are trying to build a community. We're really trying to build that community of people who are DIYers, who are interested in learning new techniques maybe, or just talking about projects they're working on, and just really build that community connection that I think is so important. So if that interests you, please go check out the website. Leave comments. We're thinking of really enhancing our Facebook page to really start bringing some of that community vibe in there as well. So we want to thank you guys so much for all the support we've received. We absolutely are so grateful and so thankful. And we really hope that you will go check out this stuff and really get involved with this community, because it's a fantastic one. And I should say, all of our wood art projects, we frame them all using Chris's 2x4 frame technique, where he makes a frame for roughly $1, maybe $1.50, and they look fantastic. And it's such an economic way to make these pieces really look amazing. And we do have a separate video on that whole process. If that is something you're interested in, I'll leave it in the link in the description below as well. So we're just going to finish up with some shading. I really played around a long time with this one. I was just having a lot of fun with it. And then we're going to start doing the eyes. So what I'm doing, where I'm going to be painting these eyes, is I'm actually going to trace them just using graphite paper. So I just take my pattern piece and tape it into the place where I want the eyes to be. and then I'm going to trace them out to get the shape. Now, you could just freehand it, and if I'm being honest, if I was doing this just on my own, I would just freehand the pieces, the eyes, but it's whatever you're comfortable with. And I really want to emphasize, with all of this stuff, make it your own. You can do whatever you want. You could add different colors, you could add a bow tie, you could do just about anything. You could change the eyes completely and you would change the look of this. So you can see here I'm just tracing them, and then I'm going to paint them in. And I just use the black paint, and you'll see I start to thin it out in certain areas just to try to create some gradient in the color. So yeah, just going to keep going with this, and then this is pretty much going to be it, and it's going to be done. And I know sometimes painting faces or eyes or these details can be sort of intimidating, but I really, really hope you'll just give it a try. Even if you just try it on scrap paper first, or scrap wood, just trace it on or freehand it and give it a try. Play around with the paint. It's really easier, I think, than a lot of people think, and it really just adds so much of your own personal touch and your own creativity to a project. And I really would recommend to anyone to give it a try. Grab some scrap wood, draw the face on, and paint away, and see what you think and see how you like it. You might really enjoy it. And I just want to say, I hope you guys have a fantastic Easter. It's actually Easter Sunday, the day that we're posting this. And we just want to wish everyone a happy Easter, and hopefully all the peace and love you could ever want in this world. So I can't thank you enough for watching. We really appreciate it. Thanks so much, and we hope you have a fantastic day, and happy Easter to everyone.